Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen about collections framework. In this video, we will see example or program for collection framework. So, it is a collections framework and it is implemented by all the classes and interfaces. So, main interface is collection. Now, why we require collections framework in Java? So, in C language, suppose you want to implement linked list, so we have to use structure for that. Suppose you want to implement tree data structure in C language, so you have to use structure. If you want to implement stack in C language, then you have to use array. But in Java language, for linked list there is a separate class for that. For stack there is a separate class for that. For tree again you will get class for that. So to manage these many classes in Java language is very tedious. So better options to that, there is a collections framework. So all these classes for different data structures are grouped together and some common rules are made. So for that they have made collections framework. So this is the structure of collections framework. So main interface for collections framework is collection interface. So it is get extended in these many interfaces. So there is a list, set, and list again it is an interface. So list interface is implemented by these classes. Set interface is implemented by these classes. Queue interface extended in the DQ interface, it is implemented by array DQ class. Queue interface is implemented by priority queue class. Again, map interface is implemented by these classes. So now we'll see example for that. Again, there is some difference in between this. So list and set. So list there can be a repetitive elements, means some elements can be repeated, while set there are the unique elements. Map saves the elements in terms of key value pair. Again, list is implemented by these two, array list class and linked list class. So again there is a difference between here. Array list class saves the value as an array, while linked list class saves the values in terms of linked list. You can repeatedly add the elements in the array. So extra memory will get allocated for that. So normally array that we use, it has a limited size, while array list is a dynamic array, means as the elements are added into it, this memory get increased. Now for set, these are the three classes. Again there are some differences in that. One difference between list and set is list can have repeated elements while set has unique elements. Set is an interface and it is implemented by these classes. Now has set saves the element in any sequence, any random sequence, while linked has set saves the elements in their insertion order, while tree set saves the elements in their increasing order. In the same way, map saves the value in key value pair. This is an interface and it is implemented by these three classes. So similarly, here is a hash set, here is a hash map, here is a linked hash set, here is a linked hash map, here is a tree set, here is a tree map. So hash map saves the value in any sequence, in random sequence, while linked hash map saves the value in their insertion order, while tree map saves the value in the increasing order of keys, not value, in the increasing order of keys. We'll see program for that. So look at this. So all this collection framework is provided by this package java.util. This is a package. So all these interfaces and classes are available in this package java.util. Now see, list is an interface. It is implemented by array list. Again, list is an interface. It is implemented by linked list. So array list, it will form a dynamic array, while here it will form linked list of these elements. Now as I told, it can have the multiple elements, repetitive elements, in the sense. So in this example you can see Rehan is repeated 2 times, likewise. So in list elements can be repeated, but for set there will be unique elements. Suppose see here, instead of Kaira, suppose I am making it Rehan. So for set we are repeating this 2. Now we'll see the output. Java C collections demo.java. So it got compiled. Some warning we got. Now we will run it. So here you can see in array list elements can be repeated. So Rehan there is 2 times. For linked list again Rehan there is 2 times. So this is the list implemented by array list and linked list classes. While has said, though we have repeated it, Rehan we have repeated 2 times, but here you can see Rehan is 1 time only. Same thing will be for linked has said and this. So generally this question is asked in interviews. What is the difference between the list and set? So list can have the repetitive elements while set has the unique elements. Now we will make it Kaira. Now see, one thing I have told, has set saves the elements in random sequence. Linked has set saves the element in the insertion order, and tree set saves the elements in increasing order of the values. So ascending order of values. While hash map saves the value in key value pair. So this is the key and that is the value. Key value, key value, key value. So values are saved in map as a key value pair. So again there are hash map. So map is an interface and it is implemented by hash map class. Again map interface and linked hash map is a class. It is implemented by linked hash map class. Same thing for tree map. Map is a interface and tree map is a class. So hash map saves the value in any random sequence. Linked hash map saves the value in the insertion order, while tree map saves the value in the ascending order. For ascending order of what is the key and value. So it will save these pairs in the increasing order or ascending order of these keys. Now we will run this and we will see the output. So we will compile it. We got some warning, just neglect it and we will have the output. Now you can see difference between hash set, linked hash set and tree set. So here see we have added the value in this order, Rehan, Kaira, Sara. Output we got as Rehan, Sara and Kaira. So elements are saved in any order. While for linked hash set, the values are saved in the insertion order. So Rehan was added first, then Kaira was added, then Sara was added. While in tree set, elements are saved in the ascending order. So ascending order of this. So K comes first, then R and then S. So based on their ASCII value, Unicode values, these elements are saved. Same thing for hash map, linked hash map and tree map. So again, if someone asks what is the difference between hash map, linked hash map and tree map, so difference is this. Hash map saves the value. Again, as this is a map, it has two things. One is keys and another is the value. While hash map saves the value in any sequence, in any random sequence, linked hash map saves the value in insertion order. So this is saved first, then it is added, then it is added, and then it is added. So it saves the value in the insertion order, while tree map saves the value in the increasing order or ascending order of the keys. So K comes first, then P, then R, then S. Likewise. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.